Greetings, everyone. My name is Frank Andrus, and the most important thing to know about me is I am a buyer traffic expert. Now, why did I say it that way? Well, because the only thing that's really important is what I can do for you. So let me show you. This week, I entered as an affiliate the Emergency Income Kit contest. They got some good numbers. Convert at 10%. Most vendors, most affiliates would absolutely kill to get a 10% conversion rate for sales. That's pretty good. $1.93 per click. Fast forward over to here. This is what I can do. My conversion rate is 28%. I made $3,528.62 sending 4 emails. 4 emails. I also won the contest, so that's $1,000 more. So $4,500 for sending 4 emails is pretty good. Can you do that too? Absolutely you can if you have the right traffic. With all of these big marketers that are in this contest, I won the first prize because of the potency of my traffic ecosystem. But that's not all. I created another 268 transactions for another $2,509.95. When I add up what I made for the 4 emails I sent on Warrior Plus and what I did in the last 7 days in my own business, that's $1,000 a day because I have buyer traffic. I have people that convert. I did almost 500 sales in 7 days. That is what I'm good at. That is what I have to offer you. So let me ask you a couple of questions. Are you tired of burning money on fake traffic and getting 0 sales? Are you frustrated with the maybe results and empty promises? Are you sick of complicated traffic systems delivering 0 buyers? That stops today. As I already said, my name is Frank Andrus, and I know exactly how you feel. I've experienced firsthand the nightmare of fake traffic and false promises. You won't be getting any of that fake nonsense from me. Now, here's what I know about you, having been exactly where you are now. You scrape together your hard-earned cash, excited about finally getting some traffic to your offer. You find a guru promising hot leads, pay the fee and wait, and wait, and wait. When the traffic finally comes, you see numbers in your analytics, but guess what? No sales, no engagement, just empty, useless clicks. You try another source, same story. Another one, same result. Precious money wasted, desperately hoping for anything to change. But it doesn't, because here's the dirty little secret about most traffic services. They don't care if you make money. They sell clicks, not buyers. And if you fail, they'll happily take your money again next week. Sound familiar? I know, because I was once in your shoes. Now, here's how I transformed from a struggling affiliate to a leaderboard dominator. I did everything the so-called experts told me to do. I purchased their high-ticket courses. I joined their masterminds. I followed their traffic methods. And every single one of them told me the money's in the list. So I went all in. I built an enormous list, but not just any list, but a list of real people who actually buy. I nurtured them. I gave them my heart and soul. I didn't just blast out emails and hope for the best. I used my techniques, turning non-buyers into buyers. And once I cracked the code, I dominated the leaderboards over and over again. Now, for the first time, I'm offering you access to my buyers. So you too can convert like a pro. But not just the traffic, Because what use would that be without the marketing ecosystem that actually converts non-buyers into buyers? This isn't just about getting clicks. It's about getting the right clicks from buyers who are proven to pull out their wallets and spend. This is your chance to skip the painful learning curve and plug directly into a proven system, a system that sends you real verified buyers, people who have already spent money and are ready to spend again. So here's what I cooked up for you. 1,000 guaranteed buyer clicks for just $17.97. Yep, that's it. No high price, no sneaky monthly fees. Here's why this is totally different from the usual traffic. While the other guys are playing maybe you'll get clicks game, I'm straight up guaranteeing 1,000 buyer clicks. These buyers actually pulled out their credit cards and bought products just like this one. That's a huge difference, right? I'm also throwing in access to over 100K worth of prizes. Wow, that's a shocking number, right? This is no BS. I have my own software development team. I can truly build products that would cost $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 and let lucky buyer click system members win those prizes. Think about it. White label software, mobile apps, SMS platforms, and more. Only for buyer click system members. It's like getting a market gold mine with your traffic. You think about that just for a minute. When is the last time anybody offered you anything like that? Let's cut straight to the chase. Here you are because you're tired of burning money on traffic that doesn't convert. I get it. We've all been there. Today, you're about to get access to something entirely different. The buyer click system. Your direct line to 1,000 verified buyers, plus an entire ecosystem and over 100,000 in available prizes. First, let me be crystal clear about what you're getting. You're getting 1,000 clicks from real buyers, my buyers. You're getting 0 monthly fees. You're getting a complete click guarantee, something our competitors won't touch. And you're getting a premium marketing suite worth over $2,500, all included free. Let's break down why this is different. Traffic quality matters. 100% real human visitors, verified purchase history, active online buyers. This is the traffic quality revolution. Every single click you receive comes from verified online buyers, my buyers. Make money online solopreneurs, people who actually spent money online, active participants in digital commerce, real humans, no bots guaranteed. Think about it. Would you rather have 1,000 random visitors who might buy or 1,000 people who've actually proven they've already spent money online? You're not just getting traffic, you're getting my complete marketing ecosystem. Okay, you're going to get my Swiss Army knife of marketing. So basically, you're going to get a system that would cost you about $208 annually to produce your traffic receiving pages. Okay, you're going to also get my advanced click tracking and link rotator system. If you're not tracking your progress, you're marketing blind. And then yet again, I'm going to talk about the exclusive members prize pool. And everybody gets a chance to win so long as they are members of the buyer click system. Plus, you're going to get my $1 million inventory tool so that everything that you have in your business can all be gathered, stored, collected, and managed in one space. And guess what? We started you out with $1,600 in inventory. So it's super simple to implement. You give us a URL. Our team puts it in our system. Our system validates your pages to make sure there's going to be no problem sending traffic, and then traffic begins flowing. You monitor your real-time results, and you scale what works and bank. Right here, right now, is your direct line to 1,000 verified buyer clicks. Lock in your traffic and the massive amount of bonuses that we're offering, all yours for $17